Hey guys, it's me, girl Leah. Today I will be making a very brand new video. Please give us a like and subscribe and comment down below whatever you want and tell me why you like this video. Also, please don't be mean, but I will be asking for gifts, so don't bugger off and say, go away you bitch, and stuff like that. Never say that to me because I'm only asking for gifts. Asking for gifts isn't that big of a deal. But I think we've done really good, guys, because guess how much gifts I got? I got 93 out of 100. I think we've done well good. Okay, so let's log into my account. I don't want you two guys to see my password. So we've just logged in. Please add me. That would be awesome-matic. Okay. Oh my god, I'm bleeding! Oh my god, so ugly, I'm bleeding. Okay, my eyes are bleeding. YouTube, Leah 13 MSP. Leah 13 MSP. Mail time. Recording. Say hi. Any last gifts? I don't care if I spelled anything wrong, just no hate. Okay, let's have a look at messages. See? Oh, well, I give one more. I already gave one more. Thank you so much. See, I do stuff like this, but no one cares. She's just me. I didn't know what to do because I'm dumb. Okay, no, I haven't got. So let's just get started. Say hi to the camera, I guess. No one really likes me on this, so. Okay, so the first one is, she said she'll give me another one, but it doesn't matter. First one is Oreo cookie. Really like the name. They're adorable. Thank you so much. This is my first ever mail time, so no hate. I've said 1 billion times. Why? I'm getting shorts. Love them. Stylish. I wonder if I got an outfit. A cap. Oh my god, that's so adorable. But she said I'll give you 3 gifts for a group. I don't really. Yes, I gave them in a video and I've been wanting them for ages. Mail time! I can't remember what she said. She gave me flowers. Oh, flowery curls. They're cute. She said she gave me flowery curls. I thought it was a flower crown, something okay, whatever. So pink. That's black, but who cares? Okay. I like black. I agree with you. I like black. Black's a nice colour. I bought them like this. I know they're sick, aren't they? If you ever want to send me gifts, I am Leah13 and like this on the UK server, so don't mind me. If you want your name right on here, just send me gifts. That's all you have to do. This is Catting MSP, and she's so nice that she's giving me gifts. I never give her gifts for mail time, but she gives me gifts because, I don't have a lot of clothes. I'm poor as heck. That's why I'm doing this. Oh yes. I think this is an outfit. It looks like an outfit to me. Oh my god, it's making my cheeks so hurt in the darkness where the fire's gonna burn. Okay, I'm really bad at singing. You went the night by the water, so far away from my I can't sing. I'm so bad and I don't know the words. I just can't sing. It's embarrassing. I'm freaking 13 years old and I can't sing. Who's the girl 1, 2, 3, 4? She was never my friend. Okay, whatever. Yeah, whatever she is, she gave me a rare. So thank you so much for that. I still got them horny things on. I bet you I'm gonna have a lot of gifts when I'm done. It's everyone's just sending them. I don't know why, but why are you sending them? I really don't know why. No, I guess some people do like me. Oh my god, they look dreadful. Well, I've my boyfriend's broken up with me twice. I'm no. I don't even have a boyfriend. In real life, I do, but it's so weird. That hair's cute. Is that supposed to be an outfit? I have no idea. Ooh, that's a cute hair. After this 90 something gifts, I'm probably gonna have a lot of clothes. So thank you so much, guys. Oh yes. She said she said sorry I don't have a lot. That girl who just sent me, she says sorry I don't have a lot of gifts, and that's a rare if she already knows. Who cares? Amy Kai. I've only got like well leggings. I think she like made them. Thank you for the honor, I guess. The hell's that? I've never seen that. Oh, it's so adorable. Probably won't wear it ever, but like I'll keep it my thing. That's a cute necklace. Oh, a boy gave me it. I know this girl just went super crazy with her gifts. She even did it with a never account. Right, look. They're so expensive. Why did she do spoil it? Oh, why? Oh, cookie test. I don't think I got that. If I give a rare, will I get the account? Well, I'm starting the account. I'm starting it. I don't know. I don't know. I'm recording right now and opening the gifts. So, I don't know. Okay, she's really nice though because I asked her twice and she pulled out. Oh, stupid girls. I just don't like her. She's so idiotic. They're so cute. I've never seen them before though. Is this supposed to be a thermometer? Am I supposed to be sick? Am I supposed to be sick? Oh my god, did I open them? I think I'm supposed to be sick. Fishy nutties. See, she's like, this girl like spanning me with gifts. I don't know why. 20 out of 20! I'm not a nerd, but okay, I'm wearing it. Oh, they're actually like super cute on me. I wish they're black, not blue. Now she's sending me pink. I like how this girl has lots of pink on. What was if it's the same? No, it can't be. I've never seen that hair before. It's so cute. I'm not really into pink. I'm into black. You should just give me pink hair. Like, I already have a lot of pink hair, but don't have any of them yet. Yeah, I got it. She's giving me pink hair. I guess I love pink hair. I think I probably love pink hair now because, like, I can always change. Oh my god, blue! I love blue! Blue's so cute. Beachy wavies. It should be bitchy wavies. I'm just thinking. A real runner. Well, I'm a runner. I am a proper runner. So just to tell you. Over the Neil style. Now onto the blue gifts. I like love blue. Yes, mate. She knows she knows me. Of course. Wait, what did she say? Okay. Everyone's really nice when I'm recording. Oh, forget the mirror. I'll go something else. Whatever. You can do that. It's not like how many gifts she said. It's about the thought. See, this is is the same person. She's just giving me a lot of gifts. I haven't got any Hamiltons yet. I really need them. I'm poor as heck. Okay. Right. No, sorry. Whatever. Whatever. I'm recording, so you know. Like all the shots are going underneath that dress. She's not sending me an outfit. She's like giving me random gifts. It's puppy. Yes, sir. Girl, you know me really well. Okay. Thank you so much. I love that hook. She knows me so well. Yes. I guess the thing I've got on right now is alright. Thank you so much. I don't think I'm ever gonna get through these gifts because, like, I need 5 more minutes. Oh my god, how much do I have left? Okay. Okay, I need to get past these really quick because, I have to do a part 2. Because I don't want to do a part 2, I just want to get through these quick. I don't have a lot of time. Did it send? It was lagging. Yes, it did send, babes. Okay, thank you so much for the rare. Yes. Okay, I hate when it takes long. Alright, thank you so much. This is a big, this is a good 100. I wish I had as much as you. Again, I just have so much rares. Like, no. You gave me too many gifts. What are you talking about? Sorry for my silence. I don't know why. I'm all black now. Like, I love black. Black is one of my favorite colors. Thank you so much. Black and blonde is like one of the best things together. Like, so good. I'll be announcing the winner in the next video. Oh, even if I don't do a video, I think I'll be pouncing it soon. Okay, it's that laggy that I only have 3 minutes left. I think I might need to make it. If it just stops, guys, I'm super sorry. I promise I'll make another video once it's uploaded or something. But I think I can make it, I'm sure, if it's not that laggy. I'm glad it's not laggy, even though there's like lots of people online, it's not laggy at all. So yeah, thank you so much for that, I guess. I guess. Alright, I'm not really in the mood right now. Well, I am, but I just need to get on with. Come on. Okay. Lol, just looking great as usual. Okay, I only have 2 minutes left. And 2 minutes, if you think about it, isn't a lot. Oh, someone just gave me the same, I think. Oh my god, this is wasting my time. I really need this. I love that one. I really need to, like, hurry up with this. Because she sent me 2. Why is she sending me 2? Why is she sending me 2 of each? I don't get it. Why? Okay. Come on, I can make it. And just hurry up, please. Stop being laggy, please. This is the last page. I can do this. I go through them really fast. Just please, get out. Haha, I got more than you. Sorry. Just get out, please. You're so annoying. Stop putting statuses up, like long statuses up. It's not helping. Okay, I don't have a lot of time left, and I need to say goodbye to you guys too. So if it just ends, I will say goodbye to you. I really hope you like this video. Give it a like and subscribe. And yeah, this is the last gift. See you guys. Mwah!